Yes, indeed. The trigger is broken. The little piece of lead on the end of the throttle cable is missing. Guys and gals, I can't make this stuff up. Look at this crap. Look at the dirt ingestion. Yes, it has a pre-filter, but it also has a main filter that goes in the housing. Just like that. This engine is burnt diddly dap up. Look at all that dirt ingestion in there, and the scoring is just ridiculous, especially over there to the left. Just look at the intake side of this piston. It is absolutely 100% toast. My. Please, if you're gonna do maintenance on one of these two-strokes, be sure you do it right. Put the correct filters in there. Don't skimp on service. You just took $100, I mean, it's gonna cost, you know, a couple $100 or more to fix this, because it's gonna need a piston and cylinder at a minimum. Normally here at the shop we short block them, but man, this trimmer was probably $350-ish new. You might as well just take that money and put gas on it and light it on fire if you're gonna do ignorant crap like this. This is what pisses me off as a technician, is having equipment that come in like this. But anyway, guys, hey, if you found this humorous, let me know in the comments, and smash that like button. Give me a subscribe and click that bell to get all my new videos. Y'all have a good rest of your day. More Medical One.